Alright, check it out folks. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy, super cheesy mac and cheese. Alright, very simple. Alright, come on, let's go. First things first, bring your water to a rolling boil, add plenty of salt. From there, add your macaroni, cook it according to instructions, put it to the side. In the heated pan, let's go ahead and bring some heavy cream to a low simmer. Let's season it. We got salt, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of Cajun. Give it a nice whisk, and from there, let's come in with our cheese. Colby Jack, whisk it up. Sharp cheddar, whisk it up. From there, smoked Gouda, whisk it up. From there, go ahead and pour that cheesy goodness over your macaroni and give it a nice mix. Hold up. You hear that? That's how it's supposed to sound. Again, go ahead and mix everything up till it's evenly combined. Add more sauce if need be. Just go ahead and mix until everything is evenly combined, and then from there we're going to top it off with more cheese, sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, whatever you like. Make sure you get maximum coverage in the oven for about 25 minutes till we get a nice crust. Bring it out. Woo-wee. Hit it with some parsley for some nice color. This will not disappoint, I'm telling you now. Give it a try. More recipes, check me out on YouTube.